Good afternoon. It is March 24th, 2025, and today we had this breakout. Uh, Yesterday we gapped up big time, uh, and we continued that bullish momentum. So this range that happened, that started about a week ago, um, and we were stuck in all last week. I'm guessing we are attempting to make a measured move of that. So that is what I believe is happening right now. You can see, so my target is about 58.60, we'll say. On the daily chart, however, we're at the 21 bar EMA. And so this thing could drop like a lead balloon, um, or we could just be breaking back into the upper half of this range that we've been in since October. Uh, so anyway, let's take a look at the 2700 tick chart. So there's the gap up from yesterday. Um, and the 2700 tick chart, we formed a bullish follow through bar. And then prices corrected before testing the high, going sideways again, and then breaking out. And then we formed this spike in channel. And so on this chart, the first real opportunity for you to get in would be right here when we pull back to the EMA. You have several, probably 40 or 50 bars here that are not touching the EMA, so it's reasonable to buy when we come back to the EMA. And if you did that, you got into a good trade. And if you wait for the first gap below the EMA, 79, if you got out like right here, that's a nice 30-point move. So anyway, we come here. Again, I guess you could buy when we pull back to the EMA. No real setups according to like max rules. This kind of looks like a second entry long, so maybe you jump in there. Here, I'll just mark these. This looks like you're entering late in the trend, so I didn't want to enter here. I was considering it, but I didn't because we came up short of the trend line right here. And this pullback happened significantly lower than the trend line as well, so I just figured I'd sit out, and then we get a two-legged break. You could definitely consider this one, especially when it closes very bullish, and we get this move to a new high, and then we get this contracting triangle bear channel, and we break out. I don't think you want to go short just yet. We break out, and you get this double top, and then we sell off to a new low. And I bought right here, so you can definitely buy this. I bought right here, but I got out when we had this bear bar. And so you can see if I put, I don't know, if I put my stop below this bar, I would have gotten stopped out. But let's say you think, I don't know, we're not going to hit a measured move, and you draw your stop to below this swing. Well, you would have made a lot of money. So there's just things to consider. I think this is a good buy. This is definitely a good buy. So here we just have a double bottom or a triple bottom. You could argue 1, 2, 3, and then here you have a failed second entry short. This is the new low. It tries to go lower here once, tries to go lower here twice. Failed second entry short, and then it rockets up. So that brings us to right now, where we're still in this very tight bull channel. And yeah, so that's how I saw it today. Uh, so again, there's one last look at it. So I believe prices are going to try and test 58.60, and we'll see what happens from there. But they could never go to 58.60. Anything could happen. So here's one last look at the 2700 tick chart, and I'll be back tomorrow.